If you want to start your content creation journey on YouTube, the first step is you need to create a channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Digital Bunny Thakkar, your digital mentor. So here is the tutorial for the beginners on how to create a YouTube channel. Open YouTube in your mobile and in the bottom right side you will find the option as You. Click on that and you will find an option to create a channel. First you can select your profile picture in the size 1:1. Make sure to select a picture where your face is clearly visible. Do not select these kind of pictures. Make sure to select the pictures where your face is clearly visible and it gives a proper natural look. And then you have to select the name that you want to give it to your channel. You can select as per your niche as well. Then you can customize your handle as per your wish, but keep one thing in mind, keep it simple and easy to find. Once you are done, click on save and create channel so that you will be able to create your channel. I am not clicking on create channel as I already have 2 channels. This was a tutorial, so that's it for this video. Congratulations, now you have set up your YouTube channel. And what next? Stay tuned in my channel and I'm gonna teach you step-by-step tutorials on YouTube. Subscribe now.